Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually watch the same thing, the same show of Netflix with your friends and whoever you would like to, right? But before we start our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just start our video now. So to do so, apparently even if you go to your Netflix app, you cannot do it. So what you have to do is you will simply just go to your app store or play store of your mobile phone, simply type in Rave. You can see this Rave watch party app over here. I have installed this app, so you will simply install this app there in your phone as well. Here you can see this Rave will open. You will simply just get logged in with whatever account available. I will just simply choose my Google account. It's easy. Once you logged in with this account, this kind of interface will open up. You can see how many people there are watching the same shows with multiple people over there. So what you can do is you simply tap on this plus icon over here. Here you can choose what kind of show from what source you would like to watch. So if you want Netflix, simply tap on this Netflix over here. So make sure you have signed in here there in your Netflix app over in your phone, and then you can simply just choose a show, invite your friends, and make sure your friends also have this Rave app because it's obviously compulsory. You will have to have both the apps so you can guys watch it together. It will start playing and you will tap on this human icon plus given below. Tap on that. Here you can see you can search a particular person or friend you want to invite. Go to your contacts as well, allow your contacts. You can see all of the contacts that are available. We'll simply choose the whatever person, tap on the send to invites. They will get this invite and they will join you along with this show, whatever you're watching here in your Netflix. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.